Okay, so what if I told you there's this massive collection of free AI tools at your fingertips? I'm talking tools that can supercharge literally everything you do online, from your writing to building a whole website. Today we're going to take a look at a platform that claims to do just that. Let's see if it's the real deal.
You know the feeling, right? You find this incredible new tool online, you start getting all these amazing ideas, and then bam, you hit the paywall. It feels like all the best, most powerful AI stuff is always locked away unless you're willing to pay up.
Well, check this out. This quote is from a platform called Webloop, and it's basically a direct answer to that exact problem. They're making a pretty bold claim here. Unlimited access to their stuff, totally free. I mean, that sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? So here's the thing about Webloop. It's not just one single tool. Think of it more like a giant digital toolbox packed with stuff to make you more productive and creative. And get this, the best part is you don't even have to sign up or create an account to start using it. All right, let's crack this thing open and see what's inside.
Okay, first up, let's talk about content. I mean, it's one of the biggest headaches for anyone trying to make a mark online, right? There's just so much noise out there. How do you possibly create something that stands out?
I'm talking to you, the marketer trying to climb up those Google rankings. Or you, the writer, just staring at that dreaded blinking cursor. Or hey, even the creator who's just trying to find the right way to say something. The pressure is real. So how can AI step in and be like your creative sidekick?
And I gotta say, I love this. They call them superpowers, and that's exactly what they feel like. It's not just about a list of features, it's about what you can do. Need an article that's gonna rank on search engines? Boom, there's an SEO article generator. Want to find the perfect hashtags to go viral? They've got a generator for that too. You can even write song lyrics, see? It's all about giving you a direct, powerful fix for whatever you're trying to create.
All right, so your content is amazing. It's ready to go. But where does it go? Where does it live online? That's our next big topic, actually building your digital home, from that first spark of an idea all the way to launch day. And let's be real, this is where a lot of people get stuck. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, the idea of building a website, man, it can feel so overwhelming. You've got the idea, but then there's the code, the design, even the legal stuff. Where do you possibly start? This is so cool. It's basically a roadmap. You can literally start with a half-baked idea, right? And you can chat with their AI business bot to turn it into a solid plan. Then, and this is the wild part, the website generator will just create the site for you. After that, you can whip up all the necessary legal pages like your privacy policy and even use a tool to make your code run faster. It's like a complete launch kit in a box. But hey, a website isn't just a bunch of code, is it? It's the visuals, it's the images, the logos, all the stuff that makes it look good. And honestly, wrestling with all those different file formats can be a real pain. And this is where you really see how practical this whole platform is. You need to convert a JPG to a WEB file to make your site load faster? Done. Need to turn an SVG into a PNG? Easy. Got those weird HEIC photos from your iPhone that nobody can open? Convert them to JPG. There's a tool for pretty much any image task you can imagine, plus a super simple resizer. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your images. Okay, but it's not all just for business owners and developers. The tools here go way beyond that. Let's switch gears for a second and see how this thing can actually act like a personal AI tutor for students or really anyone doing research.
Oh man, we've all had this feeling. You're staring at a huge, dense research paper and your brain just starts to melt. Or you're trying to figure out how to structure an essay, and you just feel like you're drowning in a sea of information. So this is where Webloop steps in like your own personal research assistant. If a topic is just not clicking, the AI tutor can explain it in a simpler way. Got a massive reading list? The text summarizer can just pull out the most important bits for you. And when you're ready to write, the research outline generator can help you get all your thoughts in order. It's not about doing the work for you. It's about helping you work smarter. You know, it's not always about these huge projects. Sometimes the most valuable tools are the ones that just save you a few minutes on those little annoying daily tasks. And that's where this thing really becomes like a digital utility belt. Think about it. Things like quickly figuring out a loan payment, or resizing a photo for an email, or, oh, this is a big one, getting a friend onto your Wi-Fi without spelling out a crazy password. These little things add up, and having a quick tool for them is a game changer.
And I mean, just look at the variety of calculators they have. It's not just, plus and minus. You've got financial calculators for mortgages, academic ones for GPA, and even health calculators to figure out stuff like your ideal weight. It's kind of crazy how many specific little tools are packed in here. This is my favorite example because it's so simple but so brilliant. The before is all of us, right? Slowly yelling a password across the room. Is that a capital B or the number 8? It's the worst. The after? You just generate a QR code. Your friend points their phone at it. Done. They're connected. That one little tool solves such a massive, universal headache. It's genius.
Oh, and if you use WordPress, listen up. They've got a whole suite of over 15 free plugins. And we're not talking about little cosmetic widgets here. These are serious tools for security, for making your site faster, and for automation. Stuff that helps you block hackers or stop people from right-clicking and stealing your images. Super useful.
So when you step back and look at the whole thing, that's really what it boils down to, isn't it? One platform, a whole arsenal of tools, and it costs you nothing, zero. They never even ask for a credit card.
So what's the bottom line here? Let's break it down. 1, you get access to a ton of specialized AI tools for free. 2, these tools actually solve real problems for your content, your website, your schoolwork. 3, they make all those little annoying digital chores disappear. And maybe the biggest takeaway of all, there's no sign-up wall. You can literally go try it all out right now.
And really, that's what it all comes back to. When you have a toolkit this big and it's totally free and open, well, the excuses are kind of gone, right? The only thing holding you back is your own imagination. So the real question is, what are you going to create first?